Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, we are going to review all the different vocab words that have to deal with ratios. So remember, a ratio is simply a comparison of two quantities. So you're comparing something to something else. Now, a rate is a specific type of ratio. So it's the same thing. It's still a comparison of two quantities, but it has units. Okay, so it's two different units that you're comparing, like maybe feet per second or miles per hour. Okay, so it's involving units. That's the difference between a ratio and a rate. Now, a unit rate is a specific type of rate. Notice how we're getting a little bit more specific each time we move up. A unit rate is a rate in which the second quantity, or the thing in the denominator, or the thing that comes second, is 1. Okay, so the thing in the denominator, or the second quantity, the thing that comes last, is 1. Now, a unit price is a specific type of unit rate. It's a unit rate involving the cost of an item. So it has a dollar sign and it has a denominator of 1. So if I'm trying to match, like, what's an example of a unit price versus a unit rate or a ratio, it's easiest to do process of elimination. The unit price is the most specific. The unit price is a type of unit rate, so it has a denominator of 1, and it's talking about money. So second thing is 1, and money, there we go, that's my unit price. Now, unit rate also has a denominator of 1, but it doesn't have to be necessarily money on top. Okay, so 3 hours, that doesn't even have any rates or any units, so it's this one for my unit rate. Okay, because again, it has a second term of 1 per 1 second. And then if it's just a unit rate, it can be whatever I want for the first unit, versus a unit price has to be money first. Now, for rate versus ratio, these are both comparing two things, but one has units and one doesn't. So a rate is one that has to have units. A ratio doesn't necessarily have to have units. It's just comparing two things. All right, and there you go. There's an example of each type of different vocab word for this week, and this is a little bit more clarification on the differences between them. Congratulations on understanding yet another math concept.